Hello, hi, it's Mr. M. I'm going to show you quickly how to complete your pixel art. So you would be right here in your assignment. After you've looked at all the examples and you have read all the instructions, you will click on the assignment, and as you could see here, so all the way to the bottom, right here, you have the example. That's my drawing. As you notice, I wrote my name here, Mr. M. So you should do the same. And here I have locating my colors, which we'll do in the afternoon. We're not going to do this right away. So, but let me show you how to get your colors in. So, say I was going to put this here, another, let's say yellow here. I click on the square where I want to put the color, and then I go up here. Now you could see I cannot find a little bucket with the paint. So if I cannot find it, I click on more, which is the three little dots. Click on it right here. And then right here we see the bucket of paint. It says background color. I click on this and I choose the color I want. Now I want yellow. Then it appears here. So I continue creating my pattern. Maybe I want red again. And maybe I want green. Put it right here. Maybe I'm making a funny little ice cream or something. I want green. Remember I said I want green? But wait a minute, I made a mistake. I took blue instead of green. So how can I change this? Well, I click on the blue and I go back to more, click on this, and now I can click on maybe light green and it changes. What if I decide, well, you know what? I don't want black up here. I'm going to click on black up here. And I just want it white. So, or I want to remove it or erase it. So I could go on white. White is the same as like erasing it. So now it's gone. Okay, so have fun creating your art. This is beautiful. I wish they showed me this when I was a kid.